Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. Think every Galaxy phone camera is the same? Think again. Today, I'm revealing the 6 best Galaxy phone cameras you need to see before your next upgrade. Stick around. The number 1 spot will absolutely blow your mind. Kicking it off with the Galaxy A55 5G, the mid-range king. With a 50 megapixel main camera, this budget-friendly beauty delivers sharpness you'd expect from much pricier models, and the night mode, it's a total game changer. Next up, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Even today, it's a powerhouse, packing a 108 megapixel sensor and insane 100x space zoom. If you love capturing mind-blowing details, this one's still a serious contender. At number 4, we've got the futuristic Galaxy Z Fold 5. Not just a folding masterpiece, but a true photography machine, with a triple lens setup that's perfect for multitaskers and creators on the go. Taking third place, the iconic Galaxy S23 Ultra. With a massive 200 megapixel sensor and buttery smooth video capabilities, it's the ultimate tool for anyone serious about next level photography and cinematic shots. Runner-up goes to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a true titan in the camera world. Samsung upgraded the 200 megapixel sensor with AI-powered enhancements and next-gen nightography. Your low-light shots, absolutely mind-blowing. And finally, at number 1, the brand new Galaxy S25 Ultra. With its groundbreaking 200 megapixel sensor, AI provision engine, and an upgraded periscope zoom that captures crisp details even at crazy distances. This is hands down the best Galaxy camera Samsung has ever built. The future of mobile photography is officially here. So the 6 best Galaxy phone cameras right now. Which one are you dreaming of upgrading to? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.